Namaskar guys, welcome to my channel. This vlog will be a short one. It's about my stay in Guwahati. I stayed at my friend Sakir's place for 2 days. It was totally a leisure stay to rest a little and prepare for the upcoming journey. In between, we also met our good old friend Roniq along with his family. Had a pretty good time in his restaurant, which is called Fires and Flavors. The dinner was amazing. We had some continental dishes, which I would rate 10 on 10 for sure. If you are craving for some Southeast Asian cuisine, do pay a visit to this joint. I guarantee you, you'll love it. I'm leaving for Shergaon tomorrow. Hopefully, I have a safe journey. So I conclude my video here itself. It's not a very long one, but it's just a continuation of the ride. I hope you liked my videos, and if you liked my videos, do click on the like button. Share it with your friends and families as well, and stay subscribed to get such contents. I'll see you guys in Shergaon. Bye bye. Take care.